red carpet service the whole entire time.
You've been amazing.
We wouldn't have this house if it wasn't for you, so I'm very happy.
Greg has done an awesome job, above and beyond. I would highly recommend him anything.
This is the first time we've had a realtor that was doing this good a job. What's not to like? Great guy.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning, guys. I wanted to just come to you from this home here in Venice. Beautiful home. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough for you just so you can see this in person. I've done the walkthrough of the neighborhood. They're putting new streets in here. They're paving by May 31st. The new street should be in. And here's the home. They are expecting another offer that's going to come in. So we might want to talk about an escalation clause and then take it from there. And I might send you another offer with a higher escrow deposit. So that's kind of the recommendation. So here we go. We're gonna walk through the home. This is a 4-3 split plan with living room and family room and a beautiful pool. Okay, we're walking in the foyer into the formal living room. There's furniture here that is available for purchase, certain items. So if anything strikes your fancy, just let me know. You're fine. You can say hi.
Hello. I was escaping with you.
You don't have to escape. You're part of the deal here. You're going to help us get this done. So we get some high ceilings here. These look like they're about 12 feet, if I had to guess. Got some crown molding. We're going to walk right into the kitchen. We have quartz countertops here with a stair-step bar. Crown molding on the cabinets with a nice kind of Tuscan feel backsplash right here. Yeah, close up. Flat top range. Garbage disposal. Dishwasher. This is very similar to my new kitchen. Alright, so we're going to walk back here to the walk-in pantry. Oh, this is a great place for pots and pans. And there's your pantry, not walk-in. And then your washer and dryer. Again, you get super high ceilings in this home. And then a 2-car garage with a door out the side. Very nice. Kayak. So you're 7 minutes from Manasota Beach, Manasota Key. So definitely checks the box for the proximity to water. You have an eat-in kitchen nook here and a pass-through with an aquarium window overlooking the pool. Lots of window space here. You can see how the family room's set up here. You have the sliding doors that side of the living room and also here in the family room. It just rained here, as you can see. Pop this open. Get up here. There we go. All right. Get this lighting right. Looking back towards the kitchen. All right, so right off the kitchen here you have, I'm assuming, 2 bedrooms. So here's one. Window in the closet. A shared bathroom here, which has a shower in it. It's been redone. Look in there. And a sink. And then a larger bedroom here with a walk-in closet. Yep, with a walk-in here. Pop the light on. Room. Nice nook here. You can see this room is definitely a little bit bigger. Okay. All right, so there's your first 2 bedrooms. We've seen the living room, we've seen the family room, we've seen the kitchen, and now we're going to see what's technically the 4th bedroom. Back in the corner here, which is an ensuite with its separate sliding door overlooking the pool. So this is got its own bathroom. This is more like a mother-in-law suite, and a nice good size bedroom here with a walk-in closet that's being used as like a sewing room. So you've got a beautiful window here, nice bushes beside the home, and there we go. Excellent. Okay, next we're going to walk out onto the pool patio. Going back here, that's your doors to the living room, former living room. You can see the window back to the kitchen, and then the door it came out of goes into the family room. Lots of deck space, lots of covered space in this home. So when it rains like today, you can still be outside, enjoy the outdoors. There's your pool. Looks like it's at the Pebble Tech. It's been recently redone. You got your spa right here. And then your preserve views in the back. Your pool heater. Pool equipment. And here we go. Okay, so walking back inside here, we'll finish our tour. Walking back through the kitchen, dining, foyer, formal living, and then to the master, which is right off the main entry. Very large master. It's very lots of light in here, natural light. I think you'll like that. And of course here right now, this would be access to the pool and the hot tub from your master. Again, this furniture, some of it is available. It's negotiable if you happen to need any. 2 walk-in closets here. I'll walk right in. It's 1 and 2. This is a little bit smaller, so probably Joe's. We're here at the master shower. Right here, it's a good size. A nice aquarium window. Step up and then your garden tub right here. Privacy with shutters. Here's her sinks, little powder area. And then what's in here? Oh, it's your linen closet. So great layout, a single-story home with the pool. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll be in touch soon. Hopefully we can get this one. Take care.